In today's video, I'm going to let you in on an industry secret, a simple hack that will instantly make your interview or talking head or even B-roll shots more cinematic. Welcome back to another tutorial from Ingaf's free filmmaking school, or its official title, the Cinematic Organisation of Camera Know-How. Impact, AJ. I want do something impressive for me, yeah? I really want impact.
It's going to be huge.
Okay, right. Yeah. On with it. I regularly expose some of my handheld magic to inspire you on your filmmaking journey, and this one is so incredibly effective. I know you'll want to subscribe to see tips of all sizes from the Cinematic Organisation of Camera Know-How. I want a vibe.
It's going to be huge.
As video shooting professionals, probably one of the most common shots you'll be required to film is the interview shot. It's a mainstay for pretty much every client job you'll do. And a quick look over Netflix or even broadcast TV, and you'll see it the world over. But how are the pros making their interview shots look so cinematic, and yours still look, well, so ordinary? Well, that's where this single hack comes in, and we help you. Of course, before I expose you to this tip, there are other elements to consider, things like lighting, frame composition, and set design. They all add hugely to the production value of the shot. But the single biggest thing that will transform your shot from this to this is shooting on the shadow side. Spend any time looking at any high budget production from documentaries to Hollywood, and you'll see that this trick is being used every time a face is in the shot. The main camera angle is always filming from the shadow side of the face. It's simply more aesthetically pleasing for the audience to do this. To achieve it is simple. After you've followed the lighting tip from part 1 of this series, which is linked below, you'll have created a beautiful texture from a single light shot. And with this key light off axis of around 45 degrees, from here you'll place your camera at a similar angle, but on the far side of the face. You can replicate this in all situations you find yourself in, even with more run and gun or outdoor filming. Take a second to find the main light source and place your camera on the shadow side of the subject's face. It will instantly upgrade your shot. In truth, this doesn't just work with talking heads either. It works perfectly for action shots and B-roll. If you can shoot from the shadow side, then do it. It will instantly add cinematic quality to your shots, and it's the industry secret which should be your now go-to hack. So there you have it. No two tips are the same, and even the obvious ones, well, they can still surprise you. So remember to try out shooting on the shadow side, and if this tip wasn't enough to satisfy your craving, well, check out our blog. You'll find loads of free filmmaking assets and our thoughts on everything filmmaking. Now, that's all for this one, but remember to ring the bell to see the Cinematic Organisation of Camera Know-How first. And also remember, thumbs show love, so be careful where you put them. That's a big hint. It's a big hint. Thumbs show love. Be careful where you put them. That means don't thumbs down it. I've just given you something for free. Hi, me again. AJ, when I said camera know-how, did the...
It was huge, mate. It's way better than you could ever imagine.
All right. Cinematic organisation. Camera know-how. Yeah. It's got to be impact. Mate, it's got to be right or we'll miss it.
Honestly, this is going to change the world.
Like an online university.
Yeah. This is like better than Trump.
If you're a filmmaker, this is the go-to place.
Even if you're not.
If you're not.
Yeah.
You're still going to want to have a bit of this.
Yeah.
Cinematic Organisation Camera Know-How.
Everyone wants a bit of that.
Good. Okay, that will do then.